beyond safety.
One common cleaning mistake in many homes can release a gas dangerous enough to send someone to the hospital. And people do it thinking they are making the place extra clean. Hi, I'm PADDIE, your safety buddy. In many homes, people mix bleach with detergents or toilet cleaners to make cleaning stronger. But some of those mixtures release toxic chlorine gas. That gas can burn the eyes, choke the throat, trigger violent coughing, and in poorly ventilated bathrooms make breathing extremely difficult. The danger is not the liquid in the bucket. It is the invisible chemical gas rising into the air. Safer practice is simple. Never mix bleach with other cleaners. Clean with windows open. Read chemical labels carefully and wear cleaning gloves. A clean home should never become a chemical hazard. Forward this to someone who cleans with bleach.